So this conference at the University of Portland really focused on AI and education, is really bringing people from across the country together to really explore what AI really means for us as educators, especially not just as a tool, but as a way in which we can help really use AI as an opportunity for student formation.
Yeah, what I hear a lot from Silicon Valley right now is that human judgment is going to be increasingly important in this time when people can use these AI tools to do certain tasks. But the role of a person to decide what tasks are worth doing, what is a quality work product, like that is going to be so important.
AI seems so kind of gatekept behind these big institutions. Students here in undergrad, they're using AI, they're learning AI, they're doing research in AI.
For students coming into the university, I think sort of cultivating that judgment, whatever their discipline is, I think is going to be really important. And remembering that they're here to learn how to learn.
Now, AI is here, it's much closer. Now it's much more accessible.
In the Holy Cross tradition here at the University of Portland, we lift up the idea that really we're developing our student leaders in terms of their minds, in terms of their hearts, in terms of their hands. And this conference really highlights this, really the deep need to do that today.
It really is our obligation as educators and as teachers in order to discern the good aspects from perhaps the negative aspects.
How can we use AI ethically? How can students use AI ethically? How can we have an ethical impact on the world so that way in using this tool, we can bring about the best positive impacts, more life-giving impacts into the world and impact people in a positive way?